Hi, this is Chris Zitko. I'm an eComfort expert here, and I just wanted to let you know I've been getting a lot of questions about line sets. Mostly, are they pre-charged, and um, what needed to be done for an installation? Well, just to give you a heads up, when it comes to line sets that we sell for our mini split systems, they do not come pre-charged. So you will need an HVAC personnel to do a draw of line or pull vacuum and make sure that they pressurize everything before they release the gas. Pretty much all of the higher end brands such as Mitsubishi, LG, Daikin, Panasonic, Gree, they're going to request that just so that they know that you have a certified installer doing the install. If you do have any questions regarding this, feel free to call in. We do not suggest that you use pre-charged line sets on many split systems. I know there's some that are out there. They are already pre-built to handle that type of a system. I would not suggest swapping manufacturer brands for the line sets when it comes to a pre-charged line set. Once again, they're already pre-built for what they're supposed to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to submit any more Q&A. I'm definitely here to help out. You have a wonderful day.